So now I want to take care of my enemy, and the first thing I'm going to do is give him a velocity of a -x, because I want him to move from this side of the screen this way. So that's subtracting or moving this way, which is moving towards the negative. So enemy dot velocity x is going to be, you can set it whatever you want, -6, -7. Try different ones, you'll see what you like. If I run this right now, he's gonna take off across the screen. I also changed his X location to be 425, so he starts a little bit off the screen. You can do that too, or you can start him wherever. It doesn't matter, because what's going to happen is once he hits this 0x right here, we're going to reset him anyway. So he's gone now. So we need to copy one of these and do some changing to it. So we're going to name this reset enemy, and we're going to set his Y location. We're going to actually throw this random in here instead. I'm just going to drag it up there because we want him anywhere randomly on this side of the screen. Makes it a little bit harder. And then his X, we want him over here, so we're going to do 425 to get him off the screen. You could even go further if you want him to pause a little bit before he shows up. I'll show you what that looks like in a second, but let's get it coded the rest of the way. We're going to have to build our if statement for this one because we're going to be doing a less than. So I'm going to pull out a new if from control. And then this time I'm looking for less than 0, because this is the 0 X location, and he's moving along the X location. So I'm going to pull the less right here, and I'm going to say, so if enemy X is less than 0, so he's hit this line, then I want to call the reset enemy. So now if I run this, things are moving all over the place and he is popping up all over. So if you want to add a little bit more to this, you could make it so that there is a random in here for X and have him pop up randomly off the screen further, so you don't know how long it's going to take for him to show up again. So I'm going to pull this. You could try 400 to 800. So that puts him way over here, and then you don't know how long it's going to take till he shows up. So watch what I mean. I'll run this for a second. There he comes. You could even do it further if you wanted to make it take a little bit more time. So that is coding our enemy.